We have all heard about the Mustang and Camaro, but what about the Mercury Cougar? After the huge success of the Mustang, Ford's more premium brand Mercury was looking to capture that success. In 1967, Mercury released their first Cougar, a more refined and luxurious Mustang, featuring a longer chassis and luxurious features like hideaway headlights. However, much like Pontiac's fate, the brand was not making enough sales in the 2000s to be profitable and was shut down. But Mercury popularized the sequential taillights that are seen on modern Mustangs today. And in my opinion, I think the 70 Cougar looks pretty nice. Don't forget to hit that like button.